Hey everyone, thank you for watching. So I'm just starting off by washing and cutting the vegetables and fruit and just storing them in some containers so it's easy to just grab and give her a snack or whatever she needs. So for breakfast, I'm starting off with the eggs, and my little secret is I put onion powder and garlic powder and just like a little bit of salt, and it just makes it a lot more flavorful, and she eats all of them. Sit! Sit! Let's go sit! Yummy! And Ava loves this quick, healthy snack, and since I already prepped and washed the celery, I just grab it out of the fridge and it's good to go. Okay, here. Ooh. Yummy. Is it good? And I'm just making some turkey and cheese wraps with some vegetables on the side for lunch, and she loves it. And I also give her some ranch too to like dip the vegetables in. And if you guys like these types of videos, please like this video. Just give it a thumbs up so I know you guys like it. And make sure you subscribe for more future videos. I'm going to be uploading at least once a week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So this is my sweet potato recipe. It's super easy, and this is the only way Ava will eat sweet potatoes, and it makes your house smell amazing when you cook it too. And I'm just cutting up some sweet potatoes here and putting them on a sheet pan. Then you just want to spread some coconut oil on top, and the more the better because the sweet potatoes absorb a lot of the coconut oil, so you just want to make sure you put a lot on there. And then you just sprinkle some cinnamon on top. And if you don't like cinnamon, you can skip this part, but I love it, so I use a good amount here. And I usually bake these for about 40 minutes. I like them a little bit more crispy. And you just put some salt on top and they're good to go. So this was my first time making this recipe and it was a huge hit. Oh my gosh, Ava loved it. She ate the whole thing, and it's hard for me to find, recipes that she'll like, but she loved this one. So I'll leave the recipe down below that I found on Pinterest. So I'm just pressing the bottom of the measuring cup down to flatten the top out. And before you do this, you just want to spray some coconut oil down too on the pan so they don't stick. And if you guys try out any of these recipes, just let me know how you like them in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.